with the help of important 10 points to solve the practice set 3.4. आपण आतापर्यंत पाहिलेल्या 10 महत्त्वाच्या मुद्द्याचा उपयोग करून प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.4 वरील प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करायचे आहेत. First problem in a practice set 3.4. In a figure, in a circle with center O, length of chord AB is equal to the radius of the circle. Find measure of each of the following. Number 1, angle AOB. Number 2, angle ACB. Number 3, arc AB. Number 4, arc ACB. Meaning of this problem: O केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळामध्ये जेव्हा AB ची लांबी वर्तुळाच्या त्रिज्ये एवढी आहे, तर खालील कोनांची आणि कंसांची मापे काढा. First, to find the measure of angle AOB. Solution: in a circle with center O, chord AB is a congruent radius OA, congruent radius OB. वर्तुळाची जीवा AB चे माप वर्तुळाच्या त्रिज्ये एवढे आहे. AB is a congruent AO is a congruent OB. Therefore, in a triangle AOB, all sides are congruent. Hence, triangle AOB is equilateral triangle. त्रिकोण OAB मध्ये सर्व बाजू एकरूप आहेत, म्हणून तो समभुज त्रिकोण आहे. And the every angle in an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. समभुज चौकोनाचा प्रत्येक कोन हा 60 अंशाचा असतो. Therefore, measure of angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. This is the solution of the first sub question. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Second, to find the measure of angle ACB. Therefore, angle AOB is a central angle. हा केंद्रीय कोन आहे. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to measure of arc AB is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, central angle is the same as their intercepted minor arc. Angle AOB is equal to measure of arc AB. And the arc AB is an intercepted arc by angle ACB. Therefore, by using inscribed angle theorem, the measure of angle ACB is equal to half of measure of arc intercepted arc AB is equal to half multiply 60. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Hence, the solution of the second, measure of angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. To find the measure of arc AB, third sub question. Solution of it: in a circle with center O, the angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, and the measure of angle AOB is a central angle. The measure of central angle is the same as measure of corresponding minor arc. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to arc AB. Hence, measure of arc AB is equal to 60 degree. And number 4, to find the measure of arc ACB. Arc ACB. Arc AB is equal to 60 degree, and the measure of arc ACB is equal to 360 minus arc AB. By using formula, measure arc is equal to 360 minus measure of corresponding arc. Therefore, arc ACB is equal to 360 minus arc AB. Arc AB is equal to 60 degree. Hence, the measure of arc ACB is equal to 300 degree. In figure, quadrilateral PQRS is a cyclic. Side PQ is a congruent side QR, and angle PSR is equal to 110 degree. Find first measure of angle PQR, second measure of arc PQR, third measure of arc QR, and measure of angle PRQ. This is the given figure. To find first measure of angle PQR. Quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic quadrilateral. हे चक्रीय चौकोन आहे. By using theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. चक्रीय चौकोनाचे सम्मुख कोण पूरक कोण असतात. Therefore, measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle PSR is equal to 180 degree. In a problem, angle PSR is given 110 degree. Substitute the value. Measure of angle PQR plus 110 is equal to 180. 110 goes on RHS side, then we get minus. Measure of angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. And second, to find the measure of arc PQR. Therefore, arc PSR is intercepted arc by angle PQR by using inscribed angle theorem. The angle PQR is equal to half measure of arc PSR, but angle PQR is given 70 degree. Therefore, 70 is equal to half multiply measure of arc PSR. Arc PSR is equal to 2 goes on LHS side, they are going to multiply 2 into 70 is equal to 140 degree. Therefore, measure of arc PQR is equal to 360 minus measure of arc PSR. Hence 360 minus 140, then is equal to 220 degree. Measure of arc PQR is equal to 220 degree. Problem number 3. Third, to find measure of arc QR. Measure of arc PQR is equal to 220 degree. Then side PQ is a congruent side RQ. Therefore, chord PQ is a congruent chord QR. By using corresponding arc of congruent chords are congruent. एकरूप जीवांच्या संगत लघुकंस एकरूप असतात. Therefore, measure of arc PQ congruent arc QR. Therefore, measure of arc QR is equal to half of measure of arc PQR. And measure of arc PQR is equal to 220 degree. Half multiply 220, then you get 110 degree. Hence, measure of arc QR is equal to 110 degree. And number 4, to find the measure of angle PRQ. Arc PQ is intercepted arc by angle PRQ by using inscribed angle theorem. Measure of arc PRQ is equal to half multiply measure of arc PQ, and measure of arc PQ is equal to 110 degree. Half multiply 110 is equal to 55 degree. Therefore, then we get measure of angle PRQ is equal to 55 degree. Problem number 3. Quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 degree. Angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Find the measure of angle R and angle N. In figure, quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic quadrilateral and angle R and angle N are given. Solution of this problem. Therefore, quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic quadrilateral. By using theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite side of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Therefore, angle R plus angle N is equal to 180 degree because angle R and angle N are opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. Substitute the value of angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 degree plus angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree is equal to 180. First to solve this bracket, then we get 5x minus 13 plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 180. 5x plus 4x is the like terms, get added 5x plus 4x minus 13 plus 4 is equal to 180. 5x plus 4x is equal to 9x minus 13 plus 4 is equal to minus 9 is equal to 180. Minus 9 goes on RHS side, then you get plus 9x is equal to 180 plus 9. Therefore, 9x is equal to 189. 9 is a multiplied to x. 9 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. X is equal to 189 upon 9. 9 2 is 18, 9 1 is 9. Therefore, x is equal to 21. Then to find the measure of angle R. Therefore, angle R is equal to 5x minus 13. Substitute the value of x is equal to 21. Therefore, angle R is equal to 5 multiplied 21 minus 13. 21 multiplied 5 is 105 minus 13. Then we get angle R is equal to 92 degree. And next to find angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Substitute the value of x, 4 into 21 plus x. 21 4 is 84 plus 4 is equal to 88. Therefore, angle N is equal to 88 degree. In figure, segment RS is diameter of the circle with center O. Point T lies in the exterior of the circle. Prove that angle RTS is acute angle. O केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळामध्ये सिगमेंट RS हा व्यास आहे आणि पॉइंट टी हा वर्तुळाच्या बाह्य भागात आहे. तर सिद्ध करा की अँगल RTS हा लघुकोन आहे. Solution of this problem. Join segment RT and segment TS in this figure. This is a RT and joint segment TS in this figure. Then segment RS is a diameter. Due to diameter, circle divided into two parts. Every part is said to be semicircular arc. Therefore, arc RS is a semicircular arc. Hence, its measure of arc RS is equal to 180 degree. अर्धवर्तुळाचे अंशात्मक माप 180 अंश असते. Therefore, two chords are angle RTS. Point T is the exterior point of circle. Therefore, angle RTS is an exterior angle. Hence, this angle of chord RT intersect to circle at point A and at point B. By using the property of two chords intersect to the external point of circle, then the measure of angle RTS is equal to half multiply in bracket measure of arc RS minus measure of arc AB. The measure of arc RS is equal to 180 degree. Half multiply 180 minus measure of arc AB. Then half 2 divided by 180, then you get 90 minus measure of arc AB. Half multiply in bracket 180, then you get 90 minus half multiply measure of arc AB. Therefore, angle RTS is equal RTS is the measure less than 90 degree. Therefore, an angle of measures less than 90 degree, it is a acute angle. Therefore, angle RTS is an acute angle. Best of luck. यशस्वी होण्यासाठी सोमनाथ गीते मॅथ एक्सपर्ट या चॅनलवरील यूट्यूब व्हिडिओ पहा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. तुमच्या कर्तृत्वान यशस्वी हाताने सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.